Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a mouth-watering topic for you, something that's a beloved snack in Brazil but relatively unknown outside of the country: the Brazilian Misto Quente. You might be thinking, what's so special about a sandwich? Well, stick around because we're about to reveal some fascinating facts that you probably didn't know about this Brazilian delicacy. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you love exploring unique and delicious foods. A Misto Quente primer. First things first, let's get acquainted with our star today. The Misto Quente is a classic Brazilian sandwich. At first glance, it may look like a basic ham and cheese sandwich, but it's so much more than that. While the basic version consists of ham and cheese between slices of bread, the Misto Quente is a canvas for creativity, and you'll find numerous variations throughout Brazil. Some popular additions include tomatoes, pineapple, and even quail eggs. Where did Misto Quente come from? Now, let's dive into the history of the Misto Quente. This beloved snack has been satisfying Brazilian taste buds for generations, but its origin story isn't entirely clear. Some say it was inspired by the French croque monsieur, while others claim it was born from the Brazilian pão na chapa tradition, where bread is toasted on a grill and then filled with a variety of ingredients. What we do know is that Misto Quente has been a staple in Brazilian cafes and bakeries for decades. It's often enjoyed as a quick breakfast, a midday snack, or a late-night bite after a night out. The perfect blend of flavors. What sets the Misto Quente apart is the balance of flavors and textures. The gooey, melted cheese complements the savory ham or other ingredients, while the bread provides that comforting crunch. The secret to a perfect Misto Quente is in the toasting. The sandwich is typically toasted to golden perfection, creating a delightful contrast between the crispy outer layer and the cheesy, melty core. Regional twists. One of the most exciting aspects of Misto Quente is how different regions in Brazil put their unique spin on it. For instance, in São Paulo, it's common to find a Misto Quente with a juicy beef patty. In Rio de Janeiro, they often add oregano for a distinct flavor. And in the north of Brazil, you might even find Misto Quente with Amazonian ingredients. These regional twists make Misto Quente an ever-evolving culinary adventure, ensuring you'll never get bored of trying different versions throughout the country. The cultural significance. Beyond being a delicious snack, Misto Quente holds cultural significance in Brazil. It's a symbol of comfort, shared moments with friends, and the warmth of Brazilian hospitality. In many ways, it's more than just a sandwich. It's a cultural icon. Whether you're a tourist or a local, sharing a Misto Quente is a delightful experience that brings people together. The art of pairing. Now, let's talk about the art of pairing the Misto Quente. While it's delicious on its own, pairing it with the right beverage can elevate the experience. In Brazil, it's common to enjoy a Misto Quente with a freshly brewed cup of coffee, but some prefer a cold, refreshing soda for a zesty contrast. The choice is yours, and experimenting with different combinations can lead to some surprising and delightful discoveries. Misto Quente around the world. Did you know that the influence of Misto Quente is not limited to Brazil? In fact, variations of this sandwich have made their way around the world, adapted to local tastes and ingredients. In Portugal, you'll find a similar sandwich called the tosta mista, and in France, a distant cuisine known as the croque monsieur. It's fascinating to see how this humble Brazilian snack has left its mark on global cuisine. DIY Misto Quente. Now, if you're feeling inspired, why not try making your own Misto Quente at home? It's a simple yet satisfying recipe that anyone can master. There you have it, our journey through the hidden secrets of the Brazilian Misto Quente. From its mysterious origins to its mouth-watering regional variations and its cultural significance, this unassuming sandwich is a true gem in Brazilian cuisine. Thanks for joining us today as we explored this delicious and often overlooked treat. If you've ever tried a Misto Quente, share your experience with us in the comments below. And if you haven't, well, you're definitely missing out, so make sure to give it a try. Until next time, Happy munching!